Hi and welcome to our channel. Today we discuss about reasoning. Reasoning is classified into three types: verbal, non-verbal, analytical. First we see verbal reasoning. Verbal reasoning is all about words. It's like when we read a story and figure out what's happening or what might happen next. This type of reasoning helps us understand and use language better. Imagine it like putting together the pieces of a language puzzle. In the verbal reasoning we cover analogy and classification first. Analogy and classification. The meaning of analogy is similarity. If an object or word or digit or activity shows any similarity with another in terms of properties, type, shape, size, trait, etc., the relationship of analogy can be established in two ways. Types of analogy: word, letter, number, mixed. Word analogy: scissors, cloth. This example is tool and object based. Success, achievement. This example is synonym based. Painter, brush. This example is worker and tool based. Chef, food. This example is worker and product based. Workout, tiredness. This example is cause and effect based. Rich, poor. This example is antonym based. Boy, girl. This example is gender based. Nitrogen, gas. This example is classification based. Painter, painting. This example is function based. Distance, mile. This example is quantity and unit based. Wool, sweater. This example is finished product and raw material based. Pen, writing. This example is utility based. Dove, peace. This example is symbolic relation based. Lion, cub. This example is adult and young one based. Skin, dermatologist. This example is subject and specialist based. Tiger, carnivorous. This example is habit based. Voltmeter, voltage. This example is instrument and measurement based. Cow, herd. This example is individual and group based. India, New Delhi. This example is capital based. Horse, stable. This example is individual and dwelling place based. Lawyer, court. This example is worker and working place based. Animals, zoology. This example is topic study based. Letter analogy. In this analogy, we must to find out the relationship between given letters or group of letters. Forward alphabetical sequence based analogy. CD, FG, PQ, UV. Here CD and FG are in the natural alphabetical sequence, so similarly PQ and UV are in the natural alphabetical sequence. Backward alphabetical sequence based analogy. CB, FE, PO, UT. In fact, this case is opposite of case 1. Vowel consonant relation based analogy. ADL, EVX, IBR, ORS. Here the first two words start with the first two vowels A and E, and the next two words start with next two vowels I and O. Last two letters of every words are consonants. Skip letter relation based analogy. ABC, FGA, IJK, NOP. Here between ABC and FGH two letters skip, and they are similarly between IJK and NOP two letters skip, and they are L and better. Jumbled letter relation based analogy. LAIN, NAIL, EBOL, LOBE. Here the first term gets reversed to produce the second term, and similar relation is shown in between third and fourth term. Shortcut approach. While solving the problem based on alphabet, you must know the exact position of every letter of alphabet in the forward order and reverse order. Just keep in mind the following positions of letters in the alphabets. Number 5 is for E, then all numbers have following position of letter and find the word. Number analogy. In this analogy, we must to find out the relationship between the numbers or group of numbers. Even and odd numbers based analogy. Here 54 and 92 or even and 81 and 47 are odd number respectively. Addition and subtraction of numbers based analogy. 254 is equal to 11 and 536 equal to 14. Multiplication and division of number based analogy. 5 times of 7 is equal to 35 and 3 times of 7 is equal to 21. Squares and cubes of number based analogy. 5 square is equal to 25 and 9 square is equal to 81. Mixed analogy. In this analogy, we must to find out the relationship between the given group of letters and the numbers on one side. Letter or meaningless word-based classification. Groups of letters are given in the question in which one group is different from remaining group. PQT. In PQT, missed letters are R and S. UVY. In UVY, missed letters are W and X. DEH. In DEH, missed letters are F and G. IJN. In IJN, missed letters are K, L and M. FGJ. In FGJ, missed letters are H and I. Meaningful word-based classification. Find odd one out. Example. Slim 1 vowels. Trims 1 vowels. Greets 2 vowels. Fight 1 vowels. Grid 1 vowels. Digit-based classification. Classification digits or number are given to find out one number that is not a part of the group of remaining numbers. 199, 122, 128, 200, 388. 199 is an odd number while all the other options are even number. General knowledge based classification. This classification is done on the basis of our general knowledge. Cat, dog, octopus, tiger, lion. Octopus is the only animal out of given option which is the water animal. Rest of options are land animals. Pause the video and do yourselves put the answers in the comment box. If any doubt in the exercise questions, please ask in comment. I will rectify it. Thank you guys. Subscribe and click bell icon for more videos.